Let me show you a MindStudio agent that I am adding to MindStudio templates. As a reminder, this is where MindStudio templates is. When you log into the platform, you will find this section here called templates. And you'll find that there's a whole bunch of them here. Many of them are platform basics, which are great for teaching yourself different things about MindStudio, but many of them are also end-to-end complete agents. The one I'm going to show today is in this section called video generation, and it is this one called Ad Video Mimicker, and this is great for doing marketing video based on a video that you like. So here's an example. Here we have this video here that I found. This is a YouTube short.
Fries like never before. Feel the crunch. Taste the fire. Fries like never before.
So that's that one. So here's one that I made that's based on it for cat treats. And believe it or not, this was one shot. This is the first attempt at generating a video like this.
Feel the crunch. Taste the fire. Free your feline from snack boredom. Spice it up.
Spicy Cat Treats Supreme. Fries, treats like never before.
So I was really impressed with this. This is Sora 2 that generated this video. So this is available today in MindStudio templates. All you need to do is come and get it right here. Make a copy of it, adjust it to your business needs for doing marketing videos, and then just go on to this agent works with TikTok, Reels, Shorts. So, you know, all it does first is downloads the video, analyzes it, generates the video, and then renders the video like I just showed. So this is a great agent for you to use for marketing. I hope that you come check it out. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.